Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Red Hat Enterprise Linux Standard 2 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Red Hat official website and download. See, this is the link. I will keep this link in the video description. See, you must have the Red Hat account. If you don't have, click on register for Red Hat account. Then fill all these details. Okay, this is the login name. Remember this one. Okay, then set the password. Provide the first name, last name and email and other information. Then select all these details. Once you select all details, we have to select the region or country. Then click on create my account. See, verification email sent. See, this is the email ID that I have given. Just you need to click on link to email address verification. Okay, successfully done. Now you will get this page. Okay, copy this. I will keep this link in the video description. Now click on browse available evaluations now. Now click on this try it. Then click on start your trial. Then we will get all the details. Then click on I have read and agreed to the enterprise agreement. Go through this agreement and select the checkbox and click on submit. So you have 60 days left to try your enterprise Linux. Okay. See, download started. Go to download. See here, we are downloading 10.2 DVD ISO file. Okay, this will take time. Okay, its size is about 10.3 gigabytes. I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded RHEL 10.2. Okay, this is the way to download. I am cancelling this one. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to save this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, here we have the RHEL 10.2 DVD ISO file. Click on open. See, once we selected, we change it to Linux OS distribution to Red Hat. OS version is Red Hat 64-bit. Unselect this one. Go to here. See, we have the 10.x. Select it. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the virtual hardware information. Base memory, number of CPU cores, and disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of the settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or go to machine and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. Okay, I want to change only one option. Go to settings, then system. And here I am going to change this pointing device from PST mouse to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start to install the RHEL on VirtualBox. RHEL 10.2 on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2 and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. See, the begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. See here the version 10.2. Click on the installation destination. I am okay with the default location. Then root account. See, root account is disabled. Click on it. Enable it. Then set the password for root user. Then click on login. Done. User creation, I am giving user full name as R2 schools, and this is the username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Set the password. Then type again same. Then click on done. Successfully created. Now software selections. See, by default it has selected server is GUI, server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system, virtualization. Go to server. See, here we have different options for base environment. Okay, whatever you want you can select optionally. These are not mandatory, but optionally you can select. Then click on done. Like time and date, I am going with the defaults. Okay. Remaining I am going with the defaults. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. We have successfully installed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2, and this is the code name. Skip. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed 10.2. Its code name is colon. Okay, Q2 Control A. The first step after connecting to Red Hat Enterprise Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update sudo dnf upgrade. It will give the error for the subscription manager. The system is not registered with entitled server. You can use the subscription manager to register. Okay, copy this error, then open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Execute this statement. Okay, copy up to here, Control A, paste it, then username, provide the login ID, then hyphen password. You have to give the password that is registered with successfully registered. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 5 packages and upgrading 257 packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. And this is the download size. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 10.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.